Today's video is a thrift with me for home decor for my own personal use, as well as to resell on eBay and Poshmark. Stick around until the end of the video to see exactly what I did purchase and how much it cost me, as I did find quite a few items today. So I grabbed a cart and headed to the back aisle where they bring out all of the new clothing racks as well as the shopping carts of new items. This is where all those early bird people that get there when they open start out first. As we turn the corner here, you will see a lot more people back here with these newer items. And here's a closer peek at even more people. So it does get crowded in the morning. So I start by going to these shopping carts with the newer items to be put out for the day. There's a lot of backpacks in here and just a lot of junk. As you can see there's a thermos. And I do pick up a wooden arrow sign here in just a bit. I love that for my bedroom wall. So I will go ahead and put that in the cart. There it is. It was $2. There's a coat rack, some mirrored wall decor, bags, just a little bit of everything in these newer shopping carts that they set out for the day. There's window blinds, and this clock I'm keying in on, it was also $2, and I love it for my living room decor. This I thought was funny, eat, pray, and hustle, because don't we all just hustle a little bit? Tons of hangers. If you're ever in need of hangers, I would not buy them new in the store. Just check out your local Goodwill. Here you can see I picked up quite a bit from those newer carts and clothing racks in the back. That right there is a pair of True Religion jeans for $4.75. I'm heading over to the one new rack up by the register that they're currently working on setting out the clothes. The clerk actually came back to this rack, so I had to put my phone away. I then head over to the women's jeans section. I do have success selling American Eagle and some Lucky Brand, but I passed on these jeans today. Cut from the Cloth is also a good brand if you get the right style. This I thought was funny. It's Karen jeans, and with all the Karen comedy going around on the internet, I thought that was kind of funny. Another American Eagle. Again, I'm looking for the size and style. The mom jeans or anything high-rise tend to sell well for me. Here's a pair of can jeans. I have passed these up previously. As you can see, there's some pulling in the crotch area. And this denim romper, new with tags by Dollhouse. It's like a jean skirt bib overall. I went back and forth on. It would have been $4.75, so I did pick it up and put it in my cart for further evaluation. More American Eagle jeans. Artiste. Now that's a good style, so I am going to pick these up and put them in my cart. Depending on the size, they can go for $20 to $30. Coming to the end of the jean aisle, you will see some shoes. These are Gravity Defier athletic shoes for women. I have sold these previously. They did mark these up at $15. So now I move over to the men's denim jeans. Jeans are one of my favorite items to sell, as they can go for quite a bit of money, and they're only $4.75 each at my Goodwill store. These are Signature Flex Levi, however they're shorts and they're new with tags, so I passed on them. Here are some Key industry denim jeans. I know the Key bib overalls sell well, so I did pick those up and put them in my cart. Here I am just showing you everything that I have in my cart. As you can see, I have the arrow, the clock. That is a Panhandle Slim shirt, a golf club cover, that Dollhouse bib overall, True Religion jeans, a New with Tags Chico's shirt, a THULE Sweden backpack, a Poison t-shirt, and some more denim jeans on the bottom. This one by Goss, plus size. And this is the Key denim jeans that I picked up earlier in the men's aisle, and then the Gravity Defyer shoes, the Koi scrub top, a bag, and the American Eagle denim jeans. Okay, so I'm back from Goodwill. I spent $63 on all of this. Now some of this is for my own personal use, and I will note that as I go through it. We'll start over here in the upper left. The arrow, the clock, and the Be Kind sign are all for myself, for my own personal home decor. I also bought this huge bag for $4 that I thought would be great to carry into Goodwill possibly, and then take out the merchandise in my own bag. Either that, or I will set it in the bedroom as decor. Now the items I bought to resell, I bought some jeans, and we'll start over here. These are Key jeans. Now I know Key is known for their bib overalls. These are New with Tags, a fairly large size, 44. And they charged me $4.75 for them. Over here is a pair of Goss plus size women's jeans. Again, $4.75. These are American Eagle Artist. I know that's a hard style to find, so I did pick that up. And back in the back there is True Religion Western wear with the back flap pockets. Again, all these jeans were $4.75 each. This I thought was interesting. It's a Poison colorful t-shirts. I do know that rock band or concert tees do sell well. I do believe this is a newer style, but I'm sure there's some Poison fan out there that's willing to pay more than $3.75 for it. So I'm gonna put that up on eBay and see how it does. Here is a Koi scrub top. I picked this up because it's colorful and we are coming into the spring summer season. This is a size small, somewhat of a sheer design. The scrub top was $3.75. In fact, all of these shirts are $3.75. So here is a rough stop. I picked it up because I noticed it had Panhandle Slim in it, and I have sold Panhandle Slim Western shirts before. This one here is a New Without Tag Chico's size 3 denim shirt. I have had success selling Chico's, and it's new without tags, so I thought I would give it a try. Covers in the past. This one is a tailor-made super fast burner cover, and she charged me $1 for it. Back here is a Tulle, T-H-U-L-E by Sweden backpack. I was not familiar with this brand, but the Sweden caught my eye, so I did run comparative solds on it in the store, and I will pop that up on the screen here. I do believe they're selling for about $50. It's a laptop or hiking bag. And the most expensive item that I found today were these G-Defy tennis shoes. These are women's, size 9.5, I believe. Yeah, women's size 9.5, and she charged me $15. I hate when they mark up the shoes like that, but I know I can sell these for about $50, if not more. So all of this, I was in there for about an hour, and it cost me $63. Now keep in mind the 4 items that are for my own personal use, but the rest of it I look to resell. And the jeans alone will probably make up more than the $63. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see exactly what I sold these for and what kind of profit I made. These items will be available in all of my online stores, available at pieceofscrap.com. I will have that link as well as my online stores in the description below. This is my assistant Dolly inspecting the new merchandise. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, which tells me you like this content. And leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite find of the day was. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I put out my next video. It's free and it's easy to do, and it really helps my channel. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.